Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the entire team at the Morgan Motor Company, I'm delighted you can join us at our Malvern home. I would also like to extend our welcome to those watching online. These are, of course, rather unusual circumstances. We would typically be preparing for the Geneva conference on the stand at Geneva right at this very moment. As we know, due to unfolding circumstances, the show was cancelled on Friday. However, in typical Morgan spirit, the team were determined to ensure that we continue with the plan of revealing our new model to the world. On that note, I would like to start by saying a huge thank you to the team here at Morgan. Their dedication, quick thinking, and hard work in ensuring that we can reveal our new car to you today. On Friday in Geneva, our stand was nearly complete. The cars had arrived and some of the team were on their way. Today, as you've seen, following an entertaining Geneva to Malvern road trip, you'll hear a lot more about in the coming days. The cars are back and we can celebrate as we're determined to ensure a positive outcome from a difficult and challenging situation. We're about to reveal an all-new model, one that succeeds 5 years of extensive testing and development. The traditional Morgan sports car was underpinned with a steel chassis and has been in production for the last 84 years and adored the world over. We are confident that the new model we share with you will be a fitting evolution to the long-standing and world-renowned Morgan sports car. However, first, allow me to share some of the milestones we have reached during the last 12 months. 2019 represented the 110th year of the Morgan Motor Company. We celebrated this with a range of anniversary models as well as the limited edition +4 110 Works edition. However, our 110th landmark year was dominated by the launch of the most dynamically capable model yet, the Morgan +6. Since its launch, the Morgan +6 has enjoyed record sales success and acclaim, thanks in part to its all-new CX architecture and the latest BMW powertrain. Last year, during the launch of the +6, I announced that Morgan was to receive external investment for the first time in our 110-year history. Building upon 3 of our strongest trading years to date, Invest Industrial's involvement over the last 12 months has strengthened our business and helped secure the long-term prosperity of Morgan. It has been a huge pleasure to welcome Invest Industrial into the wider Morgan family, and this has enabled us to embark on some exciting new developments. First and foremost, our family is growing. Not only have we strengthened our senior management team, responsible for all facets of our operation, we have continued to grow our entire workforce. With 250 members of staff, this British company is proud to announce we now employ more people than ever. Secondly, during the last 12 months, we have invested further into our home in Malvern Link. In line with our expansion of personnel, we have recently opened a new design and engineering facility. The Morgan Design and Engineering Centre is 25,000 square feet and is purpose-built to house Morgan's growing team of engineers and designers. With the exciting developments we are experiencing in the automotive industry, the new centre will no doubt facilitate the combination of Morgan's British DNA and heritage with an exciting new segment of flagship sports cars and the next generation of our core products. In addition to this, our core production facilities continue to benefit from investment. Pickersley Road has been the home to the Morgan sports car production for the last 106 years, and we continue to ensure that the factory remains an efficient operation suitable for 21st century coach building. We do this, of course, with a keen eye on preserving the location's cultural heritage. Our factory is the hub for the ever-growing Morgan community, and during 2019, we welcomed over 30,000 visitors from around the world to experience Morgan. In recognition of this, we are completing the build of a new visitor centre that is due to open later this month. And we'll celebrate Morgan history and sports cars better than ever before. We look forward to welcoming our ever-expanding Morgan community. In 2019, we built 750 vehicles, sold to customers in over 30 countries through 60 official Morgan dealerships. Our strongest markets being the UK, mainland Europe, and Japan. Another important market for Morgan is the USA. This is a market with significant relevance to the Morgan mark. This year presents us with the opportunity to break down previous barriers to export and re-establish a healthy distribution channel into America. And we look forward to sharing further announcements with you later this year. In summary, Morgan is a global brand. It now benefits from increasing investments in our brands, our products, and our operations. And 2020 will see great effort spent on growing our international footprint, forging new relationships, and further expanding the Morgan community. And so, onto the reason we all gathered. We firmly believe that Morgan products offer a entirely unique proposition. We proudly practice the art of coach building in the 21st century, blending time-proven craftsmanship with high-performance vehicle architecture. Our products really are individualistic and defined by experience, the perfect antidote to sanitized motoring. From the exhilarating +6 to the captivating Morgan three-wheeler, each Morgan vehicle delivers an experience unlike anything else. With this attribute and attitude in mind, the decision to embark on any new development program is not taken lightly. We continue to satisfy the latest legislative requirements. However, it is our core values and knowing what Morgan cars must represent that forms the fundamental basis of any new vehicle program. We are really pleased to say that the CX generation aluminium platform that made its debut within the +6 also features in the new model launched today. And we are also delighted to reveal that our engine partnership with BMW extends to this latest model. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to share an incredibly significant milestone in Morgan's history. Please allow me to introduce to you all the all-new Morgan +4.
As one journey ends, a new one begins. A chance to take stock, reflect, and think, what next?
Congratulations. Well done, guys. Since its launch in 1950, the Plus 4 has rightfully been regarded as an undiluted, engaging and purposeful driver's car. Whilst maintaining the iconic Morgan silhouette and the ash wood, the cars you see before you feature just 3% of the same components. Yet this new model remains true and elegant to the simplicity of its predecessors. Morgan's engineers and designers share a great passion for the marque, but more importantly, have the knowledge and experience required to develop a sports car for the 21st century. This knowledge and experience was displayed with the introduction of the Plus 6, a model that ushered our brand into a new era of performance and refinement. Today, the all-new Plus 4 follows suit. Externally, the Plus 4 you see features smaller proportions than the Plus 6. In fact, it features the same footprint as its steel chassis predecessors. The fact the car sits so purposefully on its wire wheels is thanks to a very generous negative offset and centre lock hub. The combination of modern, compliant dual wishbone suspension and wire wheels is a combination rarely seen elsewhere in the industry. Moving inside to the spacious cabin, the Plus 4 has been revolutionised in comparison to the outgoing model. Significant increased legroom and stowage space, a discrete LCD driver information screen, and increased use of leather and natural wood provides a purposeful yet luxurious feel. As with every Morgan, the Plus 4 is completely bespoke. Customers can choose from an infinite combination of colourways and specification options to ensure their Morgan is a true one-off. The new Plus 4 continues the legacy of the outgoing traditional models, building upon their impressive power-to-weight ratio, with 255 brake horsepower and up to 400 Newton-meters of torque, delivered via a BMW 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This embedded within the all-new Plus 4 is far more dynamic than the previous models, yet retains the unique driving characteristics coupled with an analog experience. This year, our relationship with BMW enters its 20th year, and we're extremely proud to work alongside them as a technical partner. This industry-leading powertrain technology encompassed within the Plus 4 ensures that it not only performs well, but it also features significantly improved environmental credentials. We have achieved a 30% reduction in CO2 emissions from the outgoing Roadster. This reduction will come as a positive news for our customers and is in line with our overall CO2 reduction strategy. The Plus 4 is also available with both an 8-speed ZF automatic gearbox and a 6-speed manual version. This is the first time we have offered both variants in a Plus 4. Maintaining our philosophy of lightweight, coach-built sports cars, the Plus 4 weighs just 1,009 kilograms. We weren't very happy about the 9, but it's 1,009 kilograms. And features an entirely handcrafted ash wood frame and hand-fabricated aluminium body. Denoted by the word mark as opposed to the numerical symbol, the Plus 4 will be in Morgan dealerships ahead of this summer as we seamlessly transition from the outgoing model to the new platform. Ladies and gentlemen, I can honestly say in my 37 years at Morgan, things have never been so exciting. The enthusiasm of our customers and dealer network, along with the wider Morgan community, continue to shape our future. We feel that our position within the automotive landscape is more relevant than ever. And I hope your first or next experience of a Morgan experience, will reflect this statement. However, particularly relevant at times like these, when unforeseen challenges arise, our success wouldn't be possible without the support of our long-standing partners. As such, I would like to thank our customers, our dealers, suppliers and friends for their continued support and the offers of help over the last few days. My thanks also go to the Morgan employees. The passion and dedication of all of our employees is a testament to the brand, and we're delighted to be sharing this journey with you all. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new +4, thank you very much.